Hi, welcome to Scrappin' Rabbit. This is Christine. I'm going to be listing this journal in my Etsy shop, so I'm going to do a quick run through just to show what it looks like. This is based on my tutorial for making a journal with 7 interactive inserts, and my tutorial also shows how to make the cover. Now I only have 4 of the inserts in this journal that's going in my Etsy shop, but I will include a link to the description of the tutorial if anybody's interested in the tutorial. So I made this with a velour type fabric, and I've got some lace on the edge. It has a button and elastic closure, so this can expand as needed. And it's got a faux leather spine that I stitched to the fabric. And then the back is plain. And you can see the elastics on the side. This is made to be like one of those traveler's journals where you can pull out an insert, bring it with you, and then reinsert it when you're done. So let me just take you through it. On the inside, this is like a velour again that I put for the cover, and I've got some little ribbon here and here. Inside I also added a plastic sleeve underneath, but I'll just show you how this is constructed. So you can see here the 2 holes where the elastics run through, and that's what holds these pages in. So they're easy to remove. Now in the plastic insert, I have the little pull out, and this says live a positive life. Here, see what happens if you don't give up. So there's room for storing maps or any mementos in there. I made a similar style journal when I went on a trip to Europe a couple of years ago, and I did a video on it, and it was great for storing all these little mementos of the trip. Now this first insert is just an insert with a pocket on the front and the back, and I've got a bunch of pages in there, and I think this was drawing paper. I also have some note paper in there, and this is parchment paper in gold and in beige color. And there's some more parchment paper, and I have a little doily in here. Now this one is stitched, so the pages don't come out. This next insert is a double pocket. Actually, it's a triple pocket. So there's a pocket here, one here, and another one up here. And I've got some tags that I put in there. And then on the inside, I've got some music paper and some graph paper. And then on the right side, this opens up. Now you can put some photos in there. Now, because this paper isn't acid free, because this comes from an old music book, you want to make sure that the pictures you put in there are not your originals. You can print out some digital photos and put them in there, just to make sure that you always have a good backup copy of your photos, because this is not acid free and you don't want to damage your original photos. And then on the back, I have another pocket here with some tags, and another one here. And I will show you how easily this pulls out like that, so you can bring this with you, and you can add some more pages as you want, because I didn't stitch down the middle on this one. Then this one has a little flap where you can just put something behind there, and it opens like that. And again, there's room for pictures and journaling in this section. These pull out like that. And I've got a magnet holding that closed. And then here's some of the note paper. Another pocket here with a tag. And then this last section is an envelope. And this is made so that it expands, and there's a little journal in there, or not a journal, but a little fold out in there. But then you could also add another little journal in there if you wanted to, and this just closes with the elastic. And then on the inside, this is where the elastic holds this section in, like that. And you can always stitch these in if you like. And I've got some more paper to write in on this side, and you can also add some more sheets. That's what I like about this, is you don't have to know ahead of time what you're going to be putting in it. You can sort of go as you like and add your mementos, and then if you need another one, well, you just go ahead and make another one and make some more interactive inserts. And I've got some tags that I put in here. That. And here's some more little note papers that you can jot things down in the back sleeve. So I'll list this in my Etsy shop, and I'll also include a link to the tutorial in my Etsy shop if you want to make some of these journals with the seven different inserts. This one only has 4 in it, like I mentioned. So have a nice day and happy crafting. Bye.